What's happening, YouTube? This is your boy KP. This is KP and Edge. Today is our first vlog. Today is July 4th, 2017. We got a bunch of stuff we're about to be doing today. We're just gonna bring y'all along for our journey throughout the day. Right now, we're getting ready to go out to a party. I'm already ready. Gotta go to the mall real fast and get some shoes, but of course, my girlfriend, you know, she'll take forever. So let's go see what she's doing. Babe, when you gonna be ready?
Right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Said right now 20 minutes ago. Well, anyway, I'm ready. As you see what she got me in here watching. That's what I deal with every day. Well, while I wait on her, I came here to the studio. So yeah, this is my studio. As you can see, got a little Dos Equis sitting up there. I'm a recording and mix engineer. That's what I do. I record people, I mix and master their music, and that's my passion. That's always been my passion. And producing, of course. I love producing also. She's in the hair and makeup. She's actually about to go to Empire Beauty School here in Atlanta, Georgia. And yeah, she's trying to get into all that stuff. And she's actually pretty talented, you know. It's been her, that's her passion. Music is my passion. So sounds like she's ready. So about to go. Babe, you ready now?
Yes.
All right.
What you think?
I think you look good. We are finally leaving. Did you grab my Ray-Bans?
No, baby.
All right, go back. Okay, now we're finally leaving. We are going to my friend Anthony's house. He's also a fellow recording engineer. He works at Patchwork Studios here in Atlanta. It is so hot today, y'all. Like, you gotta be thankful it's not raining and we get to enjoy our day and go to a barbecue and all, but at the same time, hot as the devil's ass out here.
Alright guys, this is Angie here. We're headed to Greenbrier Mall right now, and I don't have on my seatbelt. That's a no-go. Let's put that on.
Safety first.
Safety first. Alright, so we're headed to Greenbrier Mall right now. We are going to get some shoes for Bae. Say hey, Bae.
What's up, what's up?
Alright, so we'll see you guys later, okay? Bye. Yeah, y'all.
In the hood, Greenbrier Mall.
Greenbrier Mall.
You notice there's a lot of cars out here. So you know, my black people, we always late, last minute shoppers. So.
Oh yeah. Just like us.
Just like us. Yo, it's so hot out here, man. I'm sweating like hell. I need an edge up. That's actually where we're going next. Gotta go grab that edge up real quick. I'm gonna show y'all the true definition of Ratchet. I'm in the mall with my Nike flip-flops on because I'm grabbing the shoes I want and I'm not going back home and I didn't feel like carrying shoes around. So yeah. Foot action. Alright, out of the mall. End up going with the Shell to Adidas. Can't go wrong with them. Go good with almost any outfit. And now I'm on to get this damn edge up taken care of because I look like a homeless man right now.
Alright guys, we're leaving the mall. Bae's driving, of course, and we got him these. Some nice Adidas. So now we're headed to go get him an edge up, as he says. Is that what they call it, babe?
Yes, they call it an edge. Or you just say an edge, you know, man, either way.
An edge up. I don't know what that is. But all right, see you guys later.
All right, y'all. We are now at the Kroger parking lot, and she's about to go inside of Kroger and get some sodas for the barbecue. While I go get a haircut here. You know, you're in the hood, you can get a barber shop and a grocery store mixed into one. So that's what we about to that's what we about to do right now. So I ended up not being able to get my edge up just because it was one barber and like 6 people ahead of me. So I was like, I'm not finna sit in here and wait. I'm end up missing the barbecue, and I'm not doing that on the 4th of July. So we on the way to the barbecue now. I'm hungry. I'm a little irritated because now my edge up be looking crazy. It is what it is. I'll get it later on. Here at the party, vlogging it up, enjoying ourselves. Still no edge up, but it's all good. She's about halfway drunk.
I'm not nice.
She's drunk as hell. She's like 1 cup away from being drunk.
Okay, look at my eyes.
I'm good though. I'm a designated driver as usual. This one right here should be knocked out tonight.
Never.
Yes.
Hey, slippery. Whoa, excuse me, please me, please. I'm up, believe me, believe me, believe me. Get beat, cause I'm flexing Rarries.
You talking about you shot everything for the party, but
Your wife to be, in Italy, bottle of fur, look like the wildebeest.
Alright guys, we are headed home. We're gonna leave now and go home and get some rest and start the new day